Get ready. What you're about to see is power unleashed. These machines are carving through nature with savage force and surgical accuracy. It's not just action, it's a mechanical masterpiece that stuns the senses. Another giant falls. A waterfall of sawdust marks the passage of time in this ancient cedar forest. This tree stood tall for generations, witnessing countless seasons. Now, its journey turns a new page, harvested to serve a greater purpose.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there she goes.
Oh no, that could have gone real bad. Luckily, he's fine. But seriously, no safety gear, no sense. That tank top won't save you, buddy. Let's keep it smart out there.
Good. I'm angling it. It's gonna come like this and then like that and then it's gonna fall that way. Okay. Right, anyways. Okay.
Oh no! Whoops.
Sorry, Pat.
You alright?
Okay, yeah. Didn't look like you could quite hold it. I think I'm coming down now.
That 843F isn't just a machine. It's a force of nature in the hands of a master. Watching it glide through rugged ground with surgical precision, it's not work, it's performance, it's art in motion. Compact in size, colossal in performance. The Carlton 6016 stump grinder redefines what a small machine can do. In tight quarters where others fail, this self-propelled unit gets the job done. Fast, clean, and efficient. The Hypro FG45F- a tree shear is a true game changer. Priced at $17,999, this fully automatic steel beast makes tree felling and processing a breeze. Built tough with premium materials, it's ready to tackle any challenge. Its flexibility allows it to mount on various crane types, making it ideal for both forestry and urban environments. This is comprehensive engineering at its finest. Truck isn't just tough, it's wild. Full throttle, full send, no mercy. You can feel the ground shake. This is next level madness.
Ja, jebuna. Aj, potom. Dobre, dobre, pidej va. Давай, узати вата і викручуй руль. Дай вже вперед.
U80 isn't just a wood splitter, it's a log slaying machine. 80 tons of brute force, adjustable hydraulic wedge, optional log lift, and wireless remote control. Maximum power, maximum productivity, zero compromise. This is how Florida gets it done. The Mook Spider excavator with a Promac LDM50 attachment makes short work of thick brush and palmetto trees. Fast, clean, and unstoppable. This is land clearing done right. Power, safety, performance. The RP300 doesn't compromise. It devours 220mm branches with ease thanks to a hydraulic feeding system and 3-meter conveyor engineered for non-stop flow. Safety switch included because big jobs demand serious protection. Price ranges from $1,800 to $112,000, depending on your setup. If you think this video is cool, give us a comment and let us hear from you. When you combine the Woodland Mills WG24 with Coyote CK2610 and a rear-view camera, it's a game changer. Rail transport for wood might feel like a step back in time, but it has clear modern benefits. Massive trains rumble through the forests, the sound of their engines echoing through the trees. It cuts down on road traffic, lowers fuel use, and significantly reduces the environmental footprint of road transport. Every train is a symbol of the forest it serves. Military-grade engineering, the M1070's got the bones to tow 1,000,000 pounds with ease. Its C-channel chassis and advanced suspension system were made to dominate the toughest terrains. Forget just a truck. This beast is a bold symbol of strength in heavy logging. With the M1070, you get raw power and bulletproof dependability. You know what they say? Life is fair in its own twisted way. These guys didn't get precision, but hey, they got luck on their side. Just a tree. That's a monster cedar, 10 feet wide and towering like a titan. It stands as nature's fortress, until one man stepped up. Next to it, the logger looks tiny, but don't be fooled. He didn't bring luck. He brought mastery. With a 42-inch axe and pure willpower, he made the impossible look easy. That's what a real woodsman looks like. Moving giant timber loads? We're talking tens of tons, each log a monster on its own. But the real struggle isn't just in the weight. It's the rugged back roads, the stormy skies, the near impossible turns. This job demands nerves of steel and hands that know no fear. Table saw accident was captured on camera, and it's not easy to watch. One wrong move and disaster strikes. Let's take this as a lesson. What we learn here could save lives. Isn't just brute force. It's skill in motion. He handles the Massey Ferguson 265 like an extension of his own body. The stump resists, the chain strains, and tension fills the air. It's a dangerous dance between control and chaos. But with steady hands and sharp instinct, he conquers it. Another victory for man and machine. But wait, why isn't he using the winch? It looks like he's struggling more than he needs to. You see that too, right? Always put safety first. Keep a 45-degree retreat path from the base, and never take your eyes off the tree's lean. Simple setup, but incredibly effective. This method saves both time and energy. Are you feeling the machine fever? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear from you. If you're loving this wild ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more unstoppable machine action. Until next time, stay strong, stay powered, and stay wild.